Good morning, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe, and I'm here with two awesome ladies. This is Jill and Patty, and they work with the Innova long arm machines.
The long arm network,
yes. And some of you may know Jill. She's been the star of our 3-hour quilt video that's on our YouTube. And she came in yesterday and she said, Patty and I want to make a quilt. So they each picked out a kit and they went home last night. And how long did it take you to make your quilt?
4 hours.
4 hours. So this is awesome. So we want to show you their quilts. First, Jill's going to show you hers. And this is the new fabric that we just gotten in. And the quilt is the corner play. And if John will just kind of turn the camera around too and show the one that's up on the wall, that's kind of cool. She saw this one and thought, wow, that's great. Such a great graphic. And then Patty chose this awesome, bright, fun fabric. And she chose the sugar pie quilt.
Yep.
And so what I want to do is to show you the quilt that I made. And I told Patty I liked her pattern choice so much, but this is what I made it out of. And this one is the rail fence. So as usual, you can see how much fun it is to take 3 yards of fabric in one of my patterns and they come out and do just the cutest quilts ever. All right, either one of you want to say anything?
I just want to say thank you, Donna, because you can have a gift, you can have a quilt, you can do so much so quick with 3 yards of fabric. It's ingenious and very easy. Patterns were easy to follow, and we had fun last night doing our little challenge.
We had a great time last night doing the challenge. It was a lot of fun. Thanks, Donna.
You're welcome. And I'd like to put in that they were doing this in their hotel rooms. So they didn't even have their regular sewing studio set up.
Exactly.
So I'm really impressed. Okay, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. Thanks for joining us.